Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL TAB 10. Start by opening Play Store on both devices and installing completely free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow, then do exactly the same on the other device. Finally, choose send on an Android and receive on TCL. I just need to rotate it real quick. Now you need to click on all of those type of dots on your Android smartphone and choose send. This way you will select all of them and send them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo, click on send and tap on get it. As you can see now, on TCL you need to choose no thanks and close this window, and after that we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon over here, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key here and tap on this receive button. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, so sorry, I made a typo. As you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!